Okay. Today we take an example. Today we learn. What are the square of any number in explicit form? Method number 3. Simple method of square. Number 1 example. Example number 1. 49 square. 48 square. Or for example 48 square. Number 1. First step, a square 2ab, b square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. Formula of algebraic formula, a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So number 1, first step, 4 square is 16, 2ab, 2 times 4, 4 into 8, 2 times 4 into 8. B square, immediate place. B square is 64. 16. 2 4s are 8. 8 8 16. 8 into 8 64. 64. Now 4 as it is. 16 carry over. 6 carry over. That is 70. 0 here. 7 plus carry over. Plus 7 carry over. 16 plus 7. 0 is the square of 48. Is the square of 48. Now 48 square. 3 empty slash over there. 1, 2 and 3. 4 square is 16. 8 square, firstly 4 square is 16. 8 square is 64. And middle part is 2 times a into b, 2 into 4 into 8, that is 4 times 2, twice times 4 into 8, 4 2s are 8, 8 8s are 64. Next step, 4 as it is, 6 carry over, 64 plus 6, that is 70, 0, carry over 7, 16 plus 7, 23. 2304 is the answer. Yes? Yes, any doubt regarding in this? Up to? If any doubts, if you have comes in your mind, then immediately ask me the question in the comment box section. Okay? Thank you for watching.